Hello everyone, I'm Van Aaron Basilio.
I'm Gerard Roger Arbaiz.
And Jordan Wenzel Undan.
Together with my group mates as Group 3, we're making a video tutorial on how to assemble a computer as part of our presentation in Computer Hardware and Services as subject at SPCC. So let's get started. Now to start, we need an empty tower case. The first thing we do on this case is to install the power supply. A power supply is a device that supplies electric power to an electric load, which converts AC line to DC voltage. Then, it's important that we tighten it. The next thing we do is to install the motherboard or the main circuit breaker. Motherboard or the main circuit breaker is the main printed circuit board in an electric device which contains sockets for additional boards. It also has two bridges, North Bridge and South Bridge. The North Bridge connects and supports the RAM, AGP bus, PCI Express, and built-in display adapter, while the South Bridge connects and supports the serial and parallel ports, which are USB bus, ATE, IDE drives, firewire bus, built-in audio, and ICA bus. And it's also important we should tighten it.
This is the memory is used for the information in physical system. One of its function is the speed of the computer in opening application. There are two types of memory, and those are SDRAM and DDRAM, but we're using DDRAM. And now, the main device that uses to store information is the hard disk. We should tighten it. Now we will put the DVD-ROM, which is storage device that uses laser technology in reading the data from the optical disc. We should tighten it too.
This is CMOS, a small amount of memory that supports time and date of a computer. This is ATX 24-pin connector from the power supply. I will put it into the motherboard. And this is a 4-pin Molex. I will put it also into the motherboard. This is the PATA. It's a standard interface for IBM compatible for hard drives. I will put the other side on the motherboard and the other side for the hard disk, and the other one for the DVD-ROM. This is 4-pin power. I will put this into the hard disk. And the other one for the DVD-ROM. This is the reset port. I will insert it into the motherboard. And this is also the power port. I will also put it into the motherboard. This is the side cover of a tower case. I will put it into the side and screw it. Make sure to tighten it. And the other one for the right side. Make sure also to tighten it. The internal parts of a tower case is completely installed. On the back panel, we will put all the external ports.
The power cable of the power supply.
We will put the keyboard jack on PS2 port. On the other is mouse, but we're using USB jacks.
Then we will put the BGA cable on BGA port. After we put all the external cable, we will now plug the monitor and power case cable on the socket. Then turn on the PC. Then on the keyboard, we will press delete to boot in BIOS. We will use arrow key to navigate on the BIOS setup. Then press standard CMOS feature to set up the time and date of the computer. Then press escape. Then go to advanced feature to set up the first, second, third boot of the PC. First boot is the hard disk. Second boot is the DVD-ROM. The last boot is the floppy disk or the others. Then press escape And press F10 to save and exit. Then press Y to exit on the BIOS setup. And now your computer is now booting. We hope that you enjoy and learn about assembling a computer.
And knowing about their parts, the tutorial ends here.
Until the next video is all about the formatting and installing a operating system.
I'm Van Aaron Basilio.
And Gerard Roger Arbaiz.
And Jordan Rensel Undan.
See you. Bye.
Bye. Yun, pwede na yun.
Nice! Woo!